Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this blow dryer, but let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm not wearing any makeup. I have some makeup brushes and stuff to review today, so I will show you a clip of what I look like once my hair is done and my makeup's on at the end. So, because I know I look a little crazy right now. So it does come with a little user manual that'll tell you how to use it, and then this is how the blow dryer comes wrapped. So let me go ahead and take this stuff off. So that's what the blow dryer looks like. It has a little magnetic nozzle, which I do like to use those. Okay, so you have buttons right here and on this side. So this is your on button. The air actually comes in through here. It's really quiet. So you have heat, and you can see right here, and then you have the speed right here, which is the fan. You have low, medium, and high. And then you have your heat right here. So this is either cold or hot. And you have 3 different modes for that. So let's see how it works. I'm going to start off without this just to kind of show you the airflow. So that's high. So that's high, low, medium. Let me go ahead and let me put this back on, and we're going to try to actually style my hair today. Okay, so as you can see, it did a really good job getting my hair nice and dried. And then I like to go over it with some oil. So let me go ahead and get my oil because my hair is bleach blonde, so it's really damaged. Okay, so that is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and finish putting on my makeup so you can see what it looks like once I'm completed. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.